For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital money. That would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and influence. Every one of the obstacles and innovative unconventionalities encompassing digital forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano Establishment, the People Group Impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project plans to convey money-related gains to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and alarming them on all the bare essential of the crypto world. The establishment gave to Cardano Establishment's undertaking has support from Information Result Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total contract of liability towards financial backer Social Reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the creative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is carefully researched and examined by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass attention to the advanced resource ADA supported by schooling on blockchain and DeFi areas with envoys, backers, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by Articulate Systems makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and essentially influences different industry portions. Frederick Gergard, the CEO, has the vision as of now crucially cut for the corporate. Cardano Establishment has a devoted and superior gradability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a huge development period for the convention. Cardano, the new updates. There were a great deal of moves up to Cardano's shrewd agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective redesign. The Alonzo Purple overhaul got a monstrous change-savvy contracts. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and altered the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. Yet the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its versatility to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs fit for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second. Assuming it is valid, Cardano will be the most noteworthy scaling network on the planet. Cardano is the 9th biggest digital currency by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a colossal market cap of $8,672,316,422. The development is chiefly because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been really ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 24 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it consistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. As per our ADA figures, the coin might exchange a scope of 20 cents to $1.97 for the year 2023, where the base cost is 20 cents and the greatest cost is $1.97. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.09. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.73 and $3.50. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost gauge, is supposed to be around $2.62. It is normal that ADA might make another ATH this year. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $5 mark with a greatest exchanging worth of $5.03. While the base future cost is supposed to be $3.26. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $4.15. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. The ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of $4.79 and $6.56 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectation. The typical worth expected for the year is $5.68. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. As indicated by our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $6.32, $7.21, and $8.09 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and on the off chance that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, merchants can acquire incredible benefits. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. In view of past execution, The base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $7.85 and $9.62, while the typical cost might be $8.74 for the year 2028. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. According to our ADA cost forecast, the base and most extreme costs might be around $9.38 and $11.15 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is gauged to be $10.27. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost expectation 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $10.91 and $12.68. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $11.80 all year long. The Cardano estimate proposes that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around 97 cents according to their ADA cost forecast 2025. ADA forecast. The base worth of Cardano will be around 44 cents. The greatest expected ADA cost may be around 54 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 46 cents in 2023. In light of our Cardano expectation, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your ongoing venture might be debased in the future as it is a high-risk resource. According to the ADA estimate, Exchanging Monster's ADA cost figure is that the cost will reach 36 cents by January 2023. The normal greatest worth is 45 cents. The base worth is 30 cents for January 2023, according to our Cardano cost figure. Cost conjecture. Toward the finish of 2023, the most extreme cost of Cardano will be 7 cents, while the base cost will be around 6 cents. The typical incentive for 2025 is supposed to be around 65 cents. What elements drive the Cardano cost? Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other digital currency, can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is primarily impacted by the merchant's opinions and whales temporarily. Assuming purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be enormously impacted decidedly. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. In the event that a huge amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will build because of the scaled-down supply, in this way expanding the cost of the token as well as the other way around. While in the long haul, the cost essentially influences mechanical progressions in key examination. The more the organization progresses, the more it will catch financial backers' eye. Presently, the Vassal hard fork is exceptionally near its send-off, and this update will make a great deal of changes as far as versatility, exchange expenses, exchange speed, and the cost of the ADA token. To know the genuine development of any altcoin, it becomes crucial to differentiate crypto expectations for the presentation and major examination of digital currencies to that of an altcoin. Cardano is in the 9th position, with a market capitalization of $8,701,323,180 and a splendid future to climb in the position. The ongoing cost of Ethereum is around $1,212.50.